push behind us all the season.
Were you able to keep your emotions in check today? Before the game, when you're up there?
Yeah,
with a great opera
maybe
star as
because
well?
I'm very now. I'm concentrate to be calm. But of course, inside me, I'm very happy. My blood is unbelievable.
And that actual moment when you got to lift the trophy with Wes Morgan, what did that feel like, Claudio?
Oh, I think it was an amazing moment for me because I'm not youngest. And then there is another test now, no? When you lift something special, the Premier League, you are the champion of the Premier League, and something special for everybody. For me, of course, because yes, I won some cup in England. No, in England I lost the final. In Spain, in Italy, but to lift the champion here is fantastic. I start now. You. I'm a thinker man, no crazy man.
Did you think your moment had passed, your chance had passed to get your hands on the Premier League trophy?
No, look, in my career, always I thought, okay, sooner or later I win a title. But of course, at the beginning, never I could think here is the place. But slowly, I said, why not? This is a crazy season. Big teams don't have the consistencies to fight. Sometimes one, sometimes the other. And we have the fantastic consistencies all the season.
Consistency, but did you also have the best quality that we saw in the league this season?
Yes, but look, I believe that at the top is important to have a very good honor after players and manager. And I met a fantastic people. When I saw them in Austria, when I came, I saw it's fantastic. This is very good dressing room. All friends, they work so hard during the training session. And of course I try to blend the Italian mentality, tactics, to be solid, strong. At the beginning wasn't so well, and then I said, okay, I pay pizza, come on man, I want a clean sheet, come on, improve, and after was fantastic.
Claudio, at the start of the year, when you arrived, what did the owners ask of you? Did they just say, listen, we must stay in the Premier League, or did you believe that you could maybe get top 6?
No, never. He asked me at the beginning, it's very important to stay in Premier League for the next 2 seasons, and then slowly to grow up and try to go inside the Europe Cup, and after try to go in the Champions League. But now we are in Champions League, we are the champion, we know very well. This is a strange year, we have to put it beside, and then be focused on the next season. The foundation are strong. Now it's important to climb slowly.
Claudio, what game did you believe the title from?
I think when we won in Manchester City, but I don't know if I don't remember now if it was first or after. When I lost 2-1 at Arsenal with my Italian assistant, I said, we can do something. We can do something because if Arsenal suffers so much, 11 against 10, we can do something.
Claudio, how does Jamie Vardy compare with other strikers that you've managed? Is he a little different?
Well, it's totally different. Maybe I could compare with Piojo Lopez in Valencia, because it was so fast, but the others no. Jimmy is
a one-off.
Yes.
Amazing.
It's amazing.
What about tonight? Some nice red wine, bit of pizza?
Pizza, no. Pizza the player.
How about next season you defend the Premier League and with the Champions League as well? How about that?
Yeah, we know it will be a very different season, but the people are dreaming. Keep dreaming.
Absolutely. Claudio, we have enjoyed every minute of it. Thank you for what you've given us this season.
Thank you to you, to everybody.
Enjoy your evening. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
What charisma. Thank you, Claudio. What charisma. Jamie, come in. Here we go. Jamie, you seem to be walking a little easier now.
Yeah, just a bit of cramp, just completely seized up, so I told Baines that I weren't going nowhere for the corner and I just stood still.
How's it felt today, from the start to the very finish, to this?
It'd have been a lot better if I didn't put a ball onto that helicopter up there somewhere. But,
You almost hit us in the TV studio.
yeah, no, it's an unbelievable feeling for everyone involved. I can't describe it with words. It's absolutely mental what's happened. It just shows how together the boys are.
It's been an extraordinary journey as well for you personally. Do you almost feel like you've epitomised this Leicester story?
I think someone must have put a spell on me to make it happen this season, to be honest with you. But yeah, that's what it is. Everyone works as hard for each other as well as themselves, and if someone's having an off game, then we know that we've got the rest of the team behind us to pick us up and keep us going and fight to the end.
You scored the goals, but how much do you owe to your teammates as well, Jamie?
Oh, yeah, if it weren't for my teammates, I wouldn't be in them positions to start with. So if it weren't for the lads, then I wouldn't be on the goals that I've scored. But everyone's chipped in week out.
But is it a team, we talk about Leicester City as a team with great spirit, but it is a team full of real class as well.
Yeah, it is. You don't get nowhere from not having the foundations in the first place and the players to have the talent to get the results week in, week out. But to add on top of that, how close we are as a set of lads. We're literally all like brothers. As soon as training's finished, we're always in touch, always going out together, and that just shows from the lads that we've got exactly what we're about.
Quite a lot together, I believe you've been out this week.
No, not a lot. Yeah, I think they came round to mine the other night and broke a TV or two. But yeah, it was brilliant. And after the result, you looked on the streets outside. I think the police have had to shut the main road completely because there were thousands outside my house as well. So it's been an unbelievable week just to top it off today with a victory and obviously celebrating with us fans now.
Jamie, you've got from non-league to the Champions League. I mean, what a great example for you. Every young player out there thinking, you know what, I could be Jamie Vardy.
I'm not going to lie, it's took a lot of hard work and I'm so proud of what I've achieved personally, but like I said, without the lads around me then it wouldn't have been possible, so I have to thank them as well as myself.
Is there a Vardy party tonight?
No, we've got a little party here after, I think a few...
You don't do little parties, do you?
Fireworks after... I'll wait till the end of the season.
We're going mad then.
Well, not too mad, because if I'm in the squad then...
What about the Euros? The hamstring going to be okay?
Yeah, it'll be fine. It's just a bit of cramp. Bit of TLC needed, I think.
Good man, yeah.
We know this is going to have a Hollywood ending as well, this story, so presumably you're going to win the Golden Boot next week at Chelsea.
Well, I'd be level now if I didn't put it in the stands, so we'll have to wait and see. We'll see what happens next week, and hopefully I can get on the score sheet and we'll see what happens at the end of the season.
What a fantastic season you've had, Jamie. Congratulations. Thank
Cheers.
you for speaking to us.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank
Cheers, Jamie.
Well done, mate. Well done.
Brilliant. What success for Jamie Vardy and his Leicester teammates. Nobody here has...
Well, we do.
What impact, Alan, could they have in Europe, this team?
Well,
People say they're not too dissimilar to Atletico Madrid.
yeah, I mean, if they continue working together as they have done and Jamie Vardy stays on form, Mario, who's to say that they can't be a force in Europe?
Well done. Well done. Wes, how are you feeling? You look exhausted.
I'm emotionally drained. It's an unbelievable feeling. You know, to finally get my hands on the trophy. You know, walking up to the podium, got emotional. I had to hold back the tears. I held them back. Finally got my hands on it, lifted it up, and best feeling in the world.
How much this week have you actually thought about that moment, lived that very moment?
Yeah, everyone's been going on about how I'm going to lift it. You know, it's a heavy, don't drop it. Putting a bit of pressure on me, to be fair, but you know, there's no better feeling knowing that you're champions of England. Having to lift it.
Like, Wes.
Wow, wow. Something you remember for the rest of your life. You know. Hopefully we can, you know, just crack on from here. Big season next season. We'll see what happens. But right now, I just want to enjoy the moment.
Can you sum up what this week has been like for you?
It's unbelievable. Best time of my life. It's hard to describe, you can't put it into words, you know. It's like a dream, but it's now reality, and we just want to enjoy it. We want to enjoy every minute of it.
And I'm sure you're going to, but when was it that you really started to believe in this Leicester team achieving something as incredible as this?
I think we've always believed, you know, it's the people around us that they weren't really convinced that we could do it. Well, we know our capabilities. We played all the teams. We knew on that day we were as good, if not better than all the other teams. So we're just performing week in, week out, concentrating, ignoring what's going on in and around us, and just doing our job.
And tell us, because we've been debating what the real secret of this Leicester City team has been. How would you sum it up?
It's just the togetherness of the boys. We're such a tight bunch of guys. You know, we do everything together. We do everything together, you know, and there's no egos in our team. No one's above their stations. You know, we work so hard for each other on the pitch and we deserve it.
Champions League next season.
Champions League, I don't know what that feels like, but I'm going to enjoy every minute of it.
Absolutely. You go off and carry on those celebrations, Wes. Thank you so much for speaking to us.
Congratulations.